Good morning student. Today we are going to start first chapter of EVS subject relations and relatives. We all know about what is relations and what is relative. Relations, that relation with our father, relations with our grandfather, relations with our mother. So these all are called relations, and relatives, our uncle, aunt, our paternal grandfather, paternal family members, maternal family members, they all called relatives. And in this lesson we study about relations and relatives. A girl name is Jamna live in city with her parents, and her parents are working in the city. During Deepavali vacation, we all know when Deepavali comes, in school holidays will be in Deepavali vacation they were go to their village house. Many of parents live in city because of work, because of service, other services. They left their homeland and village and shift in the city. But whenever any occasion organized in village, they will go to their village house. So in Deepavali vacation, Jamna and her parents went to grandmother and grandfather's house. And which house? They in village. There she saw that some old people were sitting on a platform and discussing some matter. Then what Jamna saw, that some old people are gathering and they were discussing some matter. Her father greeted all of them and asked about their wellness. Her father greeted all of them and asked their wellness, that how are you and how is going. After reaching home, Jamna and her parents touched the feet of grandfather and grandmother. We all know our Indian culture, we touch the feet of our elders and get blessing from them. And Jamna also do this whenever we go outside from home, and when we come from outside, we must respect our elders and then we touch their foot. Grandmother got seated Jamna beside her on cot and caressed her. Grandmother what did? That Jamna sat beside her and caressed her. Jamna asked grandmother, why so many people are seated on village days? So they all are discussing about Deepavali festival. In the city, they are very different comparison to village, because we see that in village all members and all the villagers come together, and with any problem they will help each other. And in city area there is different, because in city no one known to each other, and for this they were if my problem is only my problem, not the any other know about this problem. And in village every person belongs to another and they will help to each other. So grandmother replied that all are discussing with the Diwali festival. And on the next day of Deepavali, Jamna and her mother visited all families of village. Mother touched the feet of elder people and they blessed her. The whole day passed in visiting people. So in village they whole day going to one house, then another house, and they all meet to each other and they will get blessing by the elders. In the evening, when Jamna arrived back home, she said to grandmother, there are big houses in the village. Jamna saw that the very big houses in the villages, because in village most of all of families member live together. In city, they only go their parents for the service and for the work. But in village, most of people work for agriculture and they all live together. So there are big house in village, and grandmother taught that here all family members, grandparents, uncle, aunt, their children live jointly. So this called joint family. And Jamna told, grandmother, in most homes only parents and their children live. When in the family only parents and their children live, they call nuclear family. Okay. Now you have to complete this table. In this table, you write your family member's name and with your relation, like your father's name and relation, that is father. Then you write down here father. Then mother name, mother. Sister name, sister. Okay. You fill this table. Then we know about relations. What is relations? That our father's father. What we call our father's father? Father's father called grandfather. In Hindi we call dada, and they specify for, because we used grandfather for dada and for nana. But specify for dada we call paternal grandfather, and for specify our mother's father nana we call maternal grandfather. Okay. And what we call father's younger brother, we call father's younger brother uncle, and father's elder brother we call in Hindi tau. Then also we call uncle. Uncle's wife we call aunt. Father's mother, paternal grandmother, specify for dadi we use grandmother before paternal, and mother's mother we call maternal grandmother. For specify we call maternal and paternal, otherwise we call grandfather, grandmother. Okay. So you also fill this table with father's father name, mother's sister. So mother's sister we call in Hindi Mausi, but in English we call aunt. Okay. So next is a third table of this. If your any family members live outside of your home, and which he will be lived in village, he will be lived in city area. So if any member of your family live in other place, so you write down their name, what is your relation with him, and which city they will live. So ye complete this table. And then next, Jamna's uncle and aunt were living in a village with the grandparents. Jamna's parents live in city because they work here, but their uncle and aunt live with grandparents. 2 years after marriage, aunt gave birth to a lovely daughter. All family members were happy. Uncle was very happy to be father. Okay. When in family, any family, if a new member will come, then all member will be very happy. Jamna was very happy to know that she got a little sister. So we call uncle's daughter what called sister. Okay. After some time in vacation, Jamna went back to village to see that little doll. There she saw that all family members were taking care of the baby. Then we live in joint family, then all the family members take care of a child, they love to her. And in nuclear family, because they separate from another members of the family, so child get little love from their all members. Then grandmother used to tell stories every day. One day Jamna got up early in the morning as usual. After using the toilet, she washed her hands with soap and brushed her teeth. Grandmother bathed her and combed her hair. Then Jamna went to farms with grandfather, florizing crops. Delighted Jamna, walking around the farms with grandfather was a pleasure for Jamna. Jamna was very happy with her grandparents. In village, they all have agriculture work. For this, we have farm hour. So Jamna also go with her grandfather and enjoy the agriculture crops. And then you think and write that what do you get up in the morning? When you get up in the morning, so time was write down here. Okay. Next, who helps you in daily routine, brushing teeth, bathing? So your mother or father, grandmother, who help you for your brushing teeth and bathing. Bathing is necessary for us. Why? Because if we don't bath any day, then we feel good, and then also we feel laziness, and we feel not active routine. So it's necessary for bath daily. Okay. Then you feel this all exercise, and then you write down your introduction, that your name, my name. Here you write down your name, my father's name, write down here, and then all exercise you write down. Okay. So next is some specialties of my family. So far we have discussed about the family and mutual relations. Each member of the family has his own qualities. Some are tall, some are short, some are fat, some are thin. In your family too, each member must be having different qualities. Of course, we have different qualities, family members. If anyone tall and anyone thin, anyone fat, so they all have some qualities and some differences. What are the names of youngest and the eldest member of your family? So you write down your think that who was your eldest and who was youngest family member in your family. Who has the longest hair in your family? So write down your name. So this exercise also done by you. Jamna's sister is a good singer. One day in school assembly, she sang a song. Everyone liked her song. Everyone clapped on her performance. Anil played dholak very well. Deepak surprised all by copying sound of different animals and birds. So all children and all members have some qualities, that some are perfect in singing, some are in dancing, and some. So what is your hobby? You also write down that what is your hobby, and which hobby of your best friend do you like most. So your hobby and your best friend hobby, and in which activities have you participated in the school. So which activities you like to do in school function. So you write down here all. Then Jamna's mother cooked very well. Our all mothers cooked very well, and her father made the delicious sweets. Jamna's father's sister lives in Rajsamand. Jamna's father's sister. What we call father's sister? Father's sister we call in Hindi Bua, and in English we call aunt. Okay. So she lived in Rajsamand. She is famous for her Tailoring, many people from distant places come to her to get their clothes kits. These jobs help her family financially. In Sunita's neighbor lives Anwar's family. His working is dyeing clothes. So in all this paragraph, we saw that every member doing any other, like anyone in other profession, anyone in other. So we all have some qualities to in any work, that some are special in any work and some other in special in any work. So who cook the best food in your family? You write down also this paragraph and write down. Okay, so in this lesson we learned that in the village most of families are joint and head of the family manage the family. Okay, due to joint family, children know their family relations, grandfather, grandmother, uncle, aunt, brother, sister. In joint family, the children know special and some extra from the nuclear family children. Grandparents and elder include good values in children. Each person has his own hobbies and interests. Each person works according to his qualities and also financially help the family. So this is our lesson, students, and you write down the exercise in your book. Thank you.